Now our question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial f of x equal to x square minus 1, find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha by beta and 2 beta by alpha. So what is given that alpha and beta are the zeros of the given polynomial f of x equal to x square minus 1. What is given polynomial is f of x equal to x square minus 1. This we have to compare with the x square plus bx plus c. That means f of x equal to x square. We don't have constant. We have x square coefficient and constant only we have. We don't have x coefficient. So we have read 0 into x minus 1. That means x square plus 0 into x minus 1. Compare with that ax square plus bx plus c. So here a value is 1, b value is 0, c value is minus 1. So they given that alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, means sum of the zeros will be alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, that is minus 0 by 1, that equal to 0. That means alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Then product of the zeros is alpha into beta is c by a. C value is how much we got here? By given the polynomial is minus 1 by a value is 1, that equal to minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. That means alpha into beta is minus 1. We got the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros of given polynomial. The required polynomial zeros are 2 alpha by beta and 2 beta by alpha. That means we have to find sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. So sum of zeros equal to 2 alpha by beta plus 2 beta by alpha. We have to find sum of the zeros. So beta into alpha LCM is beta and alpha LCM is beta alpha is nothing but alpha into beta. Here beta divides alpha, beta is alpha times multiply by alpha for this numerator. Here alpha divides alpha, beta, beta times multiply by beta with this numerator. It become 2 alpha into alpha is 2 alpha square plus 2 beta into beta is 2 beta square. So in both these terms 2 is the taken common. 2 into alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta, that equal 2 into alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta. So alpha plus beta whole square is alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. But alpha square plus beta square value is, we have to write means, we have to write that in the place of alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. We have to write in the place of alpha square plus beta square. So in this we know alpha plus beta, alpha beta also we know. So 2 into alpha plus beta value is 0 minus 2 into alpha into beta value is minus 1 by alpha beta again minus 1. That equal to 2 into minus into minus plus 2 into 1 is 2 by minus 1, that equal to 4 by minus 1 is minus 4 is sum of the zeros. Then we have to find product of zeros. Product of zeros equal to 2 alpha by beta into 2 beta by alpha. Here alpha will be getting cancelled, beta will be getting cancelled. 2 into 2 is 4. Product of zeros we got 4, sum we got minus 4. So the given required polynomial is, is equal to k into x square minus sum of zeros into x, sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. That is k into x square minus sum of zeros we got minus 4 into x plus product of zeros we got 4. That is equal to k into x square minus plus 4x plus 4. Therefore the required polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha by beta and 2 beta by alpha is k into x square plus 4x plus 4.